it's Trinita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cloth diaper liners that are reusable. Use a rotary cutter, scissors, or both. You'll need micro fleece fabric. You'll also need a cutting board like this one if you're going to use the rotary cutter. Have a ruler for measuring too. So what you're going to do first is cut off the seams. As you can see here, I'm just cutting at the edge of the fabric. Just cut it off. I'm sure you'll be able to find a blanket anywhere. This blanket is a little over 2 yards. You can use a yard of fleece from like Walmart or Joann's or so. You can also use those $2 blankets from Walmart. Later on in the video, you'll see where I made some previously with some regular fleece fabric from Walmart. I wouldn't suggest doing that, but if you have to, then go ahead. It's just that it costs a little bit more for less fabric, so it's just easier and more affordable to get a blanket. If you're doing cloth diapering, this is a must. I cloth diapered my baby from birth, and of course, you know, initially it's like a trial and error. So I realized that his skin was just extra dry, where the urine would sit on his skin. Like, well, maybe I need to change him more. But even when I did change him more, I noticed that it would happen. So he needed a barrier, and that's what these liners do. They create a barrier. So I'm gonna fold the blanket the long way. As an example, if you had a piece of paper, you'll be folding the top to the bottom or the bottom to the top and not the sides in. You want to also make sure that the outside of the blanket is facing you. So the pretty side is on the inside. And then you're going to fold it again. Okay, so here we have some technical difficulties, and I had to show you guys a new way. But this is what it's going to come out looking like once you cut all the pieces up. Okay, so I decided to show you guys with a different blanket. This is one of those standard blankets that you would get from Walmart. And basically you would fold it like a piece of paper, bottom up, and then fold it again. Then you will measure out where you're cutting 6 to 7 inches. 6 to 7 inches. Once you have your strips, everything should be like this. Mine are going to be a little bit different because I had a long blanket. Your shorter blanket, you'll have 2 folds like this. But since mine is longer, I folded it 3 ways. So with your shorter blanket, you'd cut once on each side. But for me, I ended up cutting twice on one side and once on the other. Here's a more difficult way to do it with the rotary cutter. Of course, I tried it. It was a little difficult. So you just measure out your 11 to 12 inches and then cut at the mark. And then repeat with the same strip twice. And as you can see, it's a lot of extra work, so I'd rather just use the scissors and just cut 2 times on one side and once on the other. So here I'm going to show you one more time how I fold it and how I'm going to cut it. It's so simple, so easy, and this is for if you have a huge blanket, and of course it's a lot quicker and easier if you have a smaller blanket because you don't have to cut twice. And of course that also means that you will have less strips. These strips are so amazing to use for cloth diapering because if you have a lot like me, then you'll be able to throw them away if you don't want to wash them. But it's also easy to spray off poop when the baby starts solids. If you want to reuse them. With a husband like mine, we have disposable bamboo liners. These liners are great for flats and pre-folds. So here's how you use the liner inside of the diaper. You just lay it inside and put it on the baby. That's it. I like to use the soft side up. One side of the diaper liner usually gets like these little balls on them. I don't know what you call them, but it's just like these fuzzies. They don't come off or anything like that. They don't need to come off, but it just looks weird to me. So I always put it on the soft side. And yes, that is the liner that I made with the regular fleece fabric. They look quite different. That's the soft side. If you'd like to see more videos like this about cloth diapering and momhood, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.